Hey traders, so today I'm going to break down my latest gold trade during the recent Iran crisis, explain exactly what I took this setup, how I managed the position, and what my plan is for next potential move on gold. With the recent war between USA and Israel against Iran. And as you guys know, that the Supreme Leader got killed. So despite the killing of the Supreme Leader, gold is more likely to keep an uptrend or at least consolidate higher. A sustained bearish move would need a clean all clear from both geopolitics and monetary policy markets. So if we go on the weekly time frame on gold, so as you guys can see right here, it is still in a beautiful uptrend, even though we had like a very, very beautiful doji candle, and it did push down from 6,000 back down to even low as 4,673. And then it did move up after 3 weeks back high to 5,700. So for the weekly, it's still bullish. And for the daily time frame, it is also still bullish since we have the lowest higher low right over here, and then we have the higher high right over there. So ever since it came back down, it pushes back up, and it's still playing around inside the bullish market structure. So now if we look at the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame looks a little bit different. So it is the bearish trend because we had the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then a big up of the higher high. And guess what? It did break the higher low structure, push it back down, and now we are back into a bearish trend. Just because it looked like an uptrend, it doesn't really mean that the 4 hour will be a bullish trend. So we are still in between of the lower high and lower low. So if we look at also the smaller time frame, yes, it looks a little bit different. And I can tell in advance that this is an uptrend on the 2 hour time frame. For the 1 hour time frame, it's definitely a bullish trend, 30 minutes as well, 15 minutes, and so on. So what I am planning to do for Monday and the next coming days, because it's going to be very, very volatile, I have to keep an eye on it. So what I want to do is, since the daily candle is a beautiful bullish engulfing candle, it did break the the higher high, and now it's creating a new higher high. So I believe, based on my technical analysis, it's going to push back down either on the 1 hour or 30 minutes support level, or further below right here on the 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minutes support level, or the next coming one. All right. So if we look at the 4 hour time frame, it looks so much better to see what I'm trying to say. So it may push back down to the next support level, either on the weaker one or on the stronger one. The stronger one could be right here or right there. And if it really pulls back down to the next support level, there is a higher chance that I will buy to the upwards. Since the war between USA, Israel, and Iran hasn't ended yet, although the leader has been killed. All right. So for the 2 hour, it looks far more cleaner. And so this is all my position that I'm going for. It could go deep into 5,200 to 5,000 down below right over here. Okay, 5,150, and then just get a buyback. So this is my plan for gold. However, definitely I will look at the news and more towards about the market opening on Monday, which is probably in 10 hours or 11 hours. Okay. All right. So that would be it. And trade safe. And as you guys know, gold is so volatile that you guys get wigged out. Okay. it may hit stop loss, so please be careful. And if you guys have any questions, please comment down below. And I'm looking forward to hear your response of trading gold. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And as always, you execute, you gain, you succeed. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.